Okay, here we go. We're going to try to use the TI-84 to generate a table of values. Now, one thing I learned here is when I was trying to do this video is that the TI-84, the way we're going to do this, is not going to give us that undefined. It's not going to show us that. So we're going to have to understand that 1 is going to make the denominator 0, and we're going to remove that from our table of values. So I'm going to go to TI-84. And I'm going to go over here where I put the 1 in. Oh, sorry, I didn't tell you how to get here. Save and quit. Let's go save and quit. Okay, if we're from the opening screen of TI-84 to get to the list, we're going to hit Stat and Enter, and that's going to give us these lists. We're going to enter our X values in L1. To enter a value here, if I want 0.9, I'm just going to go and highlight that value under L1, put 0.9, and then enter, and then do so on and so forth. I just tried to do this to save time on the video. But what I figured out now is that I can't generate this expression and get an undefined value because it's divided by 0. The calculator won't populate this list if it has to divide by 0. So I'm going to delete this 1 from my list, and we're going to do all of the values in this table except for the undefined value where X is 1. We're going to put our Y values, we're going to generate those using our L2. And to do that, we're going to come over here and we're going to highlight the header of the column, L2, and we're going to enter in here the expression x cubed minus 1 over x minus 1 because that's what we're trying to find the limit of as x approaches 1. So back to here, and while I have the header highlighted, I'm going to do alpha y equals to get the fraction up here, hit 1. And now I've got my fraction. Now I'm using x values from L1, so I'm going to use, instead of putting an x there, I'm going to do second 1. It's going to give me the actual value from L1 on the same row. I need this to be cubed, so I'm going to raise it to the third power. Have to come off of that power, do minus 1. Then I have to come out of the numerator, and I'm going to do L1 again because I'm looking for the x value, so second 1, and then minus 1. And that is going to populate this list too with expressions using the value from L1, and cube it, subtract 1, and divide that by the expression in L1 minus 1 when I hit enter. And there it populates that list. Looks like this one's giving me a list as a fraction, which is not what I had planned on. But 271 divided by 100 is just 2.71, and 331 divided by 100 is just 3.31. But you can see that these values match up with the values that Tony Record had in his. So that's one way you could populate in the list using the TI-84. Just a quick video to show you how to do that.